Friends, nasa Conrad Hotel po tayo. Ito ay sa 12th floor. At talaga namang napakasosyal ng Conrad Hotel. Thank you and shout out kay Ulysses Abad, my cousin, na 2 nights kami rito natulog. At grabe talaga. Feeling ko tuloy celebrity ako. At feeling model na rin. So, bagay bang maging model ang inyong BFF friends na si Winona Activities? Please follow my YouTube channel, Winona Activities, and my FB page, Winona Abantino and Winona Activities. And we have a TikTok, Winabantino. So, see you my all social media and my Instagrams, Winona Abantino. Ayan, may Instagram na tayo mga BFF friends. Kahit wala akong friends doon, masaya pa rin ako dahil alam kong balang araw dadami ang aking mga BFF friends all over the world. Shout out to all of you. We love you so much. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoy a lot my videos, okay? And I want to share my a little modeling, fashion, and my acting, and all of about my videos is about beauty. Talaga ang kailangan natin. Kahit tayo ay may edad na, we need to become beautiful always. Thank you!